I'm Robin Kish, and I'm the Manager of Home and Community Care for VON programs in Oxford County.
Okay, and tell us a little bit about how this COVID-19 crisis is impacting on the services that VON offers here, specifically in Oxford County.
So some of our programs have been put on hold in an effort to keep our staff and our volunteers and our clients healthy. Some of our programs are continuing to be offered. Programs like Meals on Wheels are still running. Our home help program is running that offers services in the home, so grocery shopping, some lighthouse cleaning, those kinds of tasks. Other programs that are still continuing to run are volunteer visiting. So we're doing the volunteer visits by phone. Our hospice visiting and bereavement programs are running, and we're doing phone calls for those as well. Our Home at Last program, where we help people come home from the hospital and settle in safely, is continuing to run. And our transportation program is offered as well. Transportation in a bit of a more limited capacity and offering to those folks who really desperately need a ride. I think a lot of people's medical appointments have been canceled, and so we're not finding that as many people are needing those types of services at this point.
And have you found, has there been an increase in the need for those services that are still running, or is it basically staying about the same as it has in the past?
We've continued to see a lot of user programs. Some people have been asked to be placed on hold temporarily, and others are continuing on to receive the service. We do continue to receive new referrals for programs like our meal programs because some folks really just need that extra meal assistance.
Okay, and if somebody's watching this and they find themselves in that situation where they either need meals or they know somebody that needs meals, how do they go about getting that rolling?
So they can give us a call. We have a toll-free number. It's 1-888-866-7518, and that's our central intake number. And that number actually will link anyone in Oxford County with any community support service, not just VON, but also our other partners that we work with as well. So if people are looking for more information or they're looking to be linked to different types of services, they can just give that central call and we'll be happy to put them in the right direction.
Okay, and is there anything else you want to say about the services that VON offers?
You know, we're continuing to operate our programs, and so we encourage people to reach out to us if they need support, and we're so appreciative of the staff and the volunteers who continue to provide support to our clients, and we really can't say enough about the good work that's happening.
It must be difficult for people who are out and they have to maintain the physical distancing and still be able to come and do these services, right? I mean, it's extraordinary.
It is. We've provided a lot of education to our staff. We're providing communications to them on a daily basis about how to ensure that they're keeping themselves safe. We remind them about the physical distancing, and we talk about how to use protective equipment appropriately. In a lot of cases, it's not necessary at this point, but for some cases, it might be necessary, and so we're really working with them to make sure that they understand how to do that properly.
Okay, and again, just tell us again, how do people get a hold of you if one of their loved ones, you know, this is probably a very confusing time for some people who have never accessed these types of programs, and now they're being told to isolate, and they need these types of programs, correct?
We have our toll-free number, 1-888-866-7518, and VON also has a Facebook page, so check out our social media pages. You can get updates and information through that as well.